Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the automotive world. In 2025, SUVs are getting bigger, better, and more exciting, with advanced technology, cutting-edge design, and a variety of options for every lifestyle and budget. From rugged off-roaders to luxurious family haulers, we've ranked the top 15 SUVs of 2025 based on their price, exterior, interior, and performance. Let's dive into the most thrilling new SUVs of the year. Number 1. 2025 Kia Sorento. The 2025 Kia Sorento impresses with its affordability and versatility, offering a balanced combination of style and functionality. Priced in the mid-$30,000 range, it's an attractive choice for families. The exterior is sleek and modern, with a redesigned front grille and LED lights that make a bold statement. Inside, you'll find a spacious cabin with high-quality materials and a large infotainment screen. Performance-wise, the Sorento offers a smooth ride with options for both hybrid and plug-in hybrid engines, delivering excellent fuel economy. Number 2. 2025 Nissan Armada. The 2025 Nissan Armada is a powerhouse, starting around $55,000 and packed with space and muscle. The exterior boasts a commanding presence with a new grille, redesigned headlights, and rugged styling. Inside, you'll find 3 rows of plush seating, perfect for large families or road trips. The Armada's V8 engine offers strong acceleration, and its advanced 4-wheel drive system ensures you're ready for any terrain. This SUV is built to take on anything with confidence and style. Number 3. 2025 Toyota 4Runner. Built for adventure, the 2025 Toyota 4Runner is designed for off-road enthusiasts. Priced starting in the low 40,000s, it features a robust and boxy exterior with rugged skid plates and high ground clearance. Inside, the 4Runner offers a straightforward, durable interior with optional upgrades for comfort. Performance is where the 4Runner shines. Its V6 engine and multi-terrain select modes handle rough landscapes with ease, making it the ideal SUV for explorers. Number 4. 2025 Lexus GX550. The 2025 Lexus GX550 brings luxury to the off-road scene. With a price tag around $60,000, it combines Lexus's signature elegance with formidable capabilities. The exterior boasts a bold new grille and sleek LED lighting. Inside, the cabin is all about luxury, featuring leather seats, wood accents, and a top-notch infotainment system. Equipped with a powerful V6 engine and off-road driving modes, the GX550 offers both refinement and strength, ideal for adventurous families. Number 5. 2025 Kia Telluride. Known for its spaciousness and value, the 2025 Kia Telluride remains a family favorite. Priced in the mid-40,000s, the Telluride has an updated exterior with a new front fascia and sleek LED headlamps. The interior offers 3 rows of roomy, premium seating and a large, user-friendly infotainment system. Its V6 engine delivers a comfortable, controlled drive, making it perfect for both city and highway travel. Number 6. 2025 Cadillac Escalade Luxury takes center stage with the 2025 Cadillac Escalade, priced starting at $80,000. Its exterior is striking with a massive grille, sharp LED lights, and bold lines. The interior feels like a high-end lounge, with leather upholstery, real wood trim, and an enormous curved OLED display. The Escalade's V8 engine provides effortless power, and its magnetic ride control ensures a smooth, premium driving experience, making it the ultimate luxury SUV. Number 7. 2025 Volkswagen Taos. The 2025 Volkswagen Taos offers compact convenience with European styling. Starting around $25,000, it's affordable yet modern, with sleek lines and a sporty stance. Inside, the Taos is simple but functional, with quality materials and a user-friendly infotainment setup. Its turbocharged engine delivers surprisingly quick acceleration, and its smaller size makes it agile in city driving, making the Taos an excellent choice for urban dwellers. Number 8. 2025 Chevrolet Traverse. The 2025 Chevrolet Traverse blends space and power, starting in the mid-$30,000 range. The exterior has a refreshed look, with a prominent grille and LED lighting for a rugged appeal. Inside, you'll find 3 rows of seating, high-quality materials, and a sizable infotainment display. The Traverse's V6 engine provides robust power, and its smooth suspension makes it a comfortable choice for long journeys. Number 9. 2025 Mazda CX90. The 2025 Mazda CX90 is all about refinement and performance, with a starting price in the mid-$40,000s. The exterior is sleek and elegant, embodying Mazda's minimalist design language. Inside, the CX90 offers a luxurious cabin with leather seats, wood accents, and an advanced infotainment system. The inline-6 engine and available all-wheel drive deliver an engaging, sporty drive that Mazda is known for, combining comfort and athleticism. Number 10. 2025 Infiniti QX80. The 2025 Infiniti QX80 combines power and luxury, priced starting around $75,000. Its exterior is bold, featuring a massive grille and sleek LED headlights. Inside, the cabin is ultra-luxurious, with high-end leather, wood details, and spacious seating for 7. The QX80's V8 engine provides strong performance, while its advanced suspension system ensures a smooth and refined ride, perfect for luxury SUV enthusiasts. Number 11. 2025 Jeep Wagoner S. The 2025 Jeep Wagoner S brings Jeep's off-road heritage into a luxury SUV, starting around $60,000. The exterior features a classic yet modern look with a distinctive grille and high ground clearance. Inside, it's all about comfort and technology, with leather seating and a state-of-the-art infotainment system. Powered by a robust engine, the Wagoner S is capable both on and off-road, blending rugged capability with upscale features. Number 12. 2025 Nissan Rogue. The 2025 Nissan Rogue is an affordable, versatile SUV with a starting price in the mid-$20,000s. The exterior sports a sharp design with sleek headlights and a bold grille. Inside, the Rogue offers a surprisingly spacious cabin with user-friendly technology. The turbocharged engine provides solid fuel efficiency and a smooth drive, making the Rogue a great value for families and commuters alike. Number 13. 2025 Volvo X90. The all-electric 2025 Volvo X90 is a luxurious yet eco-friendly choice, starting around $80,000. Its sleek exterior design showcases Volvo's minimalist aesthetic with LED lighting and clean lines. Inside, you'll find a futuristic cabin with sustainable materials, a large infotainment display, and advanced safety features. The EX90's electric powertrain provides impressive range and smooth, quiet performance, making it a standout in the electric SUV market. Number 14. 2025 Lincoln Navigator. The 2025 Lincoln Navigator is the epitome of American luxury, starting at around $90,000. Its commanding exterior is defined by a bold grille, sharp LED headlights, and an imposing stance. Inside, the Navigator offers a spacious and opulent cabin with premium leather and a massive touchscreen. Its V6 engine provides ample power, and the advanced suspension system ensures a smooth, comfortable ride, perfect for those seeking luxury and performance. Number 15. 2025 Honda Passport. The 2025 Honda Passport is an affordable, rugged option starting in the low $40,000. The exterior sports a robust, adventure-ready look with ample ground clearance. Inside, it offers a practical cabin with comfortable seats, plenty of cargo space, and a modern infotainment system. Its V6 engine provides dependable power and efficient fuel economy, making the Passport a reliable choice for active lifestyles. That wraps up our list of the 15 most exciting SUVs of 2025. From luxurious road warriors to rugged adventure machines, these SUVs offer something for everyone. Whether you're looking for luxury, efficiency, or versatility, 2025 has you covered. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest rankings and reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.